So this is AI, automated insects. We train your bees to do your packaging of comb honey for you.
And why did you create this method?
Because I'm lazy. I'm a lazy beekeeper, and I try to make it the least work possible. SimplKomb is a package for comb honey that is also the production system for comb honey, meaning we've reduced comb honey down to the simplest element. It comes to you molded in a 4-pack like this in the flat. You simply flip it upside down, fold the covers over, snap them in place like that. That exposes a set of tabs on the inside, on the top, and on the bottom of the lids that fit into the groove of your medium frame that you probably already own. You fit those tabs in, you snap it in place. Now you're ready for some wax. We like to scrub our wax on. I use a 2 blocks method in a warm frying pan. I scrub the wax on all the way to the corners, nice and thick. I alternate blocks because one will get warm while I'm using the other one. You take your wax frame, you put it in your beehive, and you wait 15 minutes. When the timer goes off, you pull it out. Dang, it's still fantastic. SimplKomb will yield packages of about 6.5 ounces that are ready for resale, ready for your label right there. Ready to go. 80 packages in a 10-frame super. Has a street value of about $10 each, $800.